Hello guys, we're back again with our setup and plan, and this is our setup and plan outlook today, Monday, right? Then first and foremost is market structure. That one, our market structure, I had a clean trade around here and I will send that recap today. And if you see here closely, market structure is moving down, price is moving down. You can clearly see with this internal structure, then coming back, then going down, just after shifting from here, shifting up, then shifting up again, then shifting down. Then what's our plan? Our plan is very simple. This is our last break of structure to the downside, external market structure, break of structure. Then we had to go down to our internal structure from the 15 minutes hour time frame, right? With this break of structure here, continuation break of structure. Then we had our order block, which was just here. This one was mitigated already. This one was also mitigated. Then you have this, you can clearly use this sell order block, the bearish order block, right? So the price came in, tapped in, then it continued down, respected the area. But what's my plan? My plan is very simple. Scenario number one, I'm expecting this price to come back here, sweep this liquidity here, then I'll go down to lower time frame, 1 minute time frame, then I'll look for sell confirmation. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, if the price disrespect this order block, then I'll just wait for the retest, I'll just wait for the break, then a retest. Then in this area I'll look for that buy confirmation, then I'll continue buying this market. Those are the two scenarios I'm actually waiting for on GU. Then EU, super simple price action. You can clearly see that we had our market structure moving down, then break of structure, then continuation, then break of structure, then continuation, and now you're looking for sales, scenario number one. And if you look closely, you can see here that we had our break of structure here to the downside, then a change of character to the upside, still external market structure, and then here we had our order block, which was disrespected, but the price didn't come back to tap into our bearish breaker block. Then we had our change of character to the downside, then we had our break of structure to the downside, continuation. Now our external bearish order block is here, which is this one, bearish order block. Then we have our internal market structure order block, which is here, right? This one was already mitigated. So what's my plan? My plan is very simple. I'm going to just wait for the price to come back here, tap into this order block, then I'll look for sales from the lower time frame on 1 minute, then I'll focus on taking out this next swing low. That's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, just wait for the break here, then a retest around here, then after getting this retest, then I'll wait and I'll look for those buy confirmations, then I'll continue buying. Same scenario, super simple. Then GBP, JPY. JPY is very simple. You can clearly see that the price was moving up. You can clearly see, then you had our break of structure, then you had a continuation, then a continuation. Now looking for sales. So This was our last break of structure to the upside. Then this is our break of structure to the upside. Then this is our change of character to the downside. External market structure, right? Then we had our pullback, then a continuation to the upside. But right here, if you see, candle 1, candle 2, then we have our break of structure to the downside, but still have to be a little bit more patient for this confirmation for that 1 hour candle close. Then you're going to go to 15 minutes, then you can easily go to 1 hour, and this is our order block, the last buy to sell candle. This is our order block. Then you can also go on and look for those internal order blocks like this one, but still have to wait. But I prefer trading on this one because of this fair value gap, and my plan is very, very simple. I'm going to wait for the price to come back here, then I will look for my entry confirmations to sell from the 1 minute time frame. The scenario number 2, if the price disrespect this area, then I'll just wait for the break, then I retest, then I'll look for buy confirmation, then I'll continue buying this pullback to the upside. Then for GBP, JPY, you can see it already marked everything, because GBP moves like, it's one of those pairs that moves for each session. London session, Asian session, New York session is always moving. That's why early in the morning I trade GBP JPY. So if you look closely here, you can see at the break of structure to the upside, then a continuation, break of structure, then break of structure. So as you can see, the market is moving up, and first and foremost, we're looking for buys. Then you're going to have our break of structure to the upside. If you see here closely, at our break of structure to the upside, and this was our swing low, what we can call our protected low. You can see it clearly here. Then if you go to 30 minutes, then you have our order block, which is here, and the price mitigated, and you had that nice reaction from it. And then if you see here, this is our bullish order block. Then you're going to understand that the price came in, tapped in, then continued up, then came in, swept this liquidity to the downside, and now we're now just waiting for the market structure shift on 1 minute. And if you get our 1 minute market structure shift from here, then I'll be considering to buy this market, and this will be my final confirmation. Just wait for the break here, then look for, I'll go down to 5 minutes, then I look for that fair value gap, then I will continue buying this market. That will be scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2. Scenario number 2 is also very, very simple. If the price disrespects this order block, then I just wait for the retest, then a continuation to the downside. Okay, that's it, guys. Peace out, and I'll be updating you with our setup and plan towards New York session.